Hi, this is Dr. Abhilasha Sharma. Welcome to New Peace Life Talks channel. Before proceeding further, I request to please go through my video named as Bullet Journal for Beginners. The link is given in the description box. It will help you to understand this video more better. Earlier I was using simple bullet journal method, but now in this pandemic time, situation demands to switch to more customized one. So simple bullet journal method has to be combined with the mental wellness and the physical wellness criteria too. With the terms bullet journaling, physical well-being, mental well-being popping up on internet webs in the past few months, I put up my head on it and found it very interesting. This pinged me of amalgamating all these three elements into one comprehensive journal termed as bullet journal comprehensive method. A. It is beneficial for whom? Who are into goal setting and tracking. Second, who really want their life personally and professionally systematic, structured and balanced life. Third, who love for planners. Fourth, who want to be more organized, more systematic. Simple bullet journal method, as I've already discussed in my earlier video, but taking the recap, first is the index, just like table of contents, page of any book with a page number. Second, daily log, you did today, need to do today. Third is the weekly log or the monthly log. You need to do that week and monthly, or you forget to last week and month. Fourth is the rapid logging. Select the symbols that help you that things done. Example, less than, greater than, migration, that are activities which has been obsolete or have to be reshuffled. Fifth is the future log, events, goals and short term or the future term where you need to go. I have taken quickly because I have already discussed in my earlier video. Sort out competencies you are already possessing and that you required. Keep in track monthly and yearly wise by just nourishing already one and keep on developing the new one. Competencies can be changed in between if you change the job, career or any changes in personal relationship. Example, like your boyfriend or girlfriend just broke up, or any other changes in the external environment like COVID-19. Two columns of monthly competency log and yearly competency log has to be added to bullet journal method to make your life happy, well-being, just smiling and need to be more structured full. A small diary will make your planning short-term and the long-term of a year. These small step-by-step planning make your life productive rather than calling being busy. Here comes, see comprehensive bullet journal method. In this, there will be a separately columns that designed as competency monthly log and competency yearly log for physical and mental well-being personally and professionally. You can see a graph where I have divided into two, physical competency well-being and mental competency well-being. It can be drafted for the monthly, it can be drafted also for the yearly. Two things to be kept in mind, a bullet journal comprehensive method. Size and the quality. The journal should be handy. Come, just check out the difference between the four. First is the bullet comprehensive journal method. It is just a fantastic and a wonderful method to track, develop goals and competencies both day-to-day, short-term and long-term goals. Second, bullet journal method. It's also a great way to track my day-to-day activities and tasks as well as the long-term goals. Both these journals are the best for recording and the tracking the goals. Third is the planner. It just focus on what you are doing in the future. Four diaries focus on what did you that day. Even crush on a boy or girl and you are just writing on it. Very frankly, in the earlier the diaries were used to write for the day-to-day the activities and you're writing just a bullshit on it. So now we are using the customized one, that is the bullet journal, simple one, and the bullet journal customized to be more planful. Precautions. First, initially many papers will get scrapped down. Your dustbin will get full of waste papers. Don't worry at all. Second, till you become proficient, use pencil and rubber. Third, just keep a key at the index to track what all your symbols mean. Otherwise, you will forget and the things will be get messed up. Next, short, inconvenient and systematic. Otherwise, it will become yawning journal system. Next, you don't need to become a perfectionist painter, but focus on planning and implementing. In nutshell, first, just not to do planning, but implement it. It is the best way of decluttering as you have put all your worries and tasks on the paper. It allows us to free our minds from the things that worry us. Third, make your journal short, simple, and easy to carry, not to be racked up. Next, bullet plus competency based journaling. It will help you in making your life, again I am repeating, a balanced one. Inevitable, we find ourselves tackling too many things at the same time, spreading our focus so thin that nothing gets the attention it deserves. This is commonly referred to as the being busy. Being busy, however, is not the same thing as being productive, given by Rida Carroll. If you have any queries regarding the topic discussed in the video, you can put all your queries in the discussion box. We'll be love to hear your feedback. Please share and subscribe if you like this video.